How's it, folks? Welcome to another episode of 4x4 Viewfinder. I'm Adrian, and today we are going to be doing the pollen filter. It's a very simple job to do, and it's worth doing quite regularly, because if you've got this misty or moldy smell inside your vehicle, chances are this is the culprit. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that, but first I want to give a shout out to Escape Gear, because I kitted us out with some amazing seat covers. They feel nice to the touch, they feel tough, easy to clean. You take it out, you put it, hand wash, and you wash it out, and it sits nice and tight. It feels like it's part of the seat, and yeah, that's why I love these guys. Yeah, if you're considering new seat covers, definitely have a look at Escape Gear's catalog. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Right, folks, so simple. All you do is you open this guy up, this side here, you push it in and past, and then other side as well, and then it just unclips. You've got your cabiole out, and then on the inside here, right, so this inside here, there's this little panel here. Mine says 7, I don't know if that means anything, but you basically unclip the face of this panel. There we go. Right, so this is the little panel. Alright, let's take the old one out. Oh well, this doesn't look good. Already we've got this coming out. Oh heck, guys, folks, look at this. This is bad. Yeah, and you can see here that it was forced in. So a lot of dirty air has now contaminated the inside. So to whoever did this, thank you. And to me for not checking this earlier. Yeah. Anyway, let's put the new one in. Right, folks, so you take your new filter, right? And as you can see, it'll show you up, right? And the way it looks, it's got these hard edges on the sides. So you take it with this upside facing you, and you just slot it in. Just like that. And then you take your magic clip, put it in, and Bob's your uncle, putting back this guy. Yeah, these little thingies at the bottom, locating clips, put them in first, and throw away the old one. Okay, folks, so next time we'll be doing the brakes. And yes, once again, any comments you have, any suggestions you have, if you've replaced your pollen filter, or maybe you know of a pollen filter that is scented or something like that, that makes interior smell nice, or anything like that, let us know in the comments, and so we can maybe try it out for ourselves as well. Like I said, any other comments you have with regards to servicing, or things you'd like to see, things you'd like me to make a video of, also that is also part and parcel of the servicing setup for you and your vehicle specifically. Send me a comment or put it in the comments below. I'll answer you if I can. If need be, I'll make a video. Right. So folks, until next time, thank you for watching, and happy 4x4ing.